This is the testing for the IS4302 Lab3, and as we can see, I've now already connected the Remix with my local storage, so we need to compile the first dice, and you can see we can deploy this dice contract. Well, and first I will test the dice battles, and compile the dice battle. We need the address of the dice, so dice battle. I deployed it with the dice address, and we have account. I think we can have two account. This is the first account, and I'll spend 1,000 penny to buy the dice. It is 6-1. Yep, now we have already have dice 0 in the this account to DB, and let's change another account 2, and use 1,000 penny to buy another dice. Yep, we can check the number of dice it shows too. So then we need to send the dice to the dice battle contract, and using the transfer, send the dice 0 to the dice contract, and it has been transferred to the dice 0 has been transferred, and dice 1 has also been transferred. Now we can set the battle pair. We copy dice 1's user's account, and dice 0 can set the dice 1's address. We had it here. Yep, we see that it has been successfully set the battle pair, and I think that we can start the battle, and we just import the dice 1 and dice 0 here. Yep, we can now see the result. The dice 1 shows the number is 2, and the dice 0 shows number 2, and the dice 1 shows number 3. So both of these dice is transferred to the dice 1's user account. I think the dice 1's user account is end with BAB, so we can check it. Get owner, we can input the dice 0. Now it shows it ends with BAB, so it has been successfully transferred to dice 1's owner's account. We see dice 1, and yep, the dice 1 also has been successfully transferred to the its previous owner, and now it has been successfully tested, and we will go to the exercise 2. In the exercise, I will delete the dice battles this contract to make it seem more clear. And first, I will use deploy the dice token. I think the dice token will use another account like this one. Dice token, compile it, and deploy it with this account. now thanks to the dice market, this dice market as I will use both dice and dice token to accomplish exercise 2's requirements. So we need to provide the dice contract and the dice token contract address, and this is we import the address, dice tokens address, and we set the mission fee to 1. And I think I will use another account to make it clear. Yep. And after we transact it, we can see the dice market has been successfully deployed. As both two dices is in the account and with the BAB, so I will transfer dice 0 to the dice market using the transfer, and transfer dice 0. We also need the dice market address. Change it here. Yep. Now I also need to list the dice 0 with the price at 3, and we can list dice 0 and the price 3. Now we can see it is we can see that it has successfully listed, and I will use the previous account and buy the top up like 100 penny. Okay. $100 to buy the 10 DT, I think. Yep. Now this account 2 DB has 10 DT, and we can use it to buy the by 0 and like with over and dice 0. Exact. Okay, now we can see the transaction has been processed successfully. We can check the owner of the dice 0. It's the owner of the dice 0. And now we can see it end with 2 dB, the same as the count that we use 10 DT to buy this one. Now let's use don't use dice token to buy the dice. Let's just use Ethereum to buy the dice. Okay. Oh, I think I will use another account to deploy this dice market. Yep. Choosing this one. And yep. I also need some dice address to avoid it. Oh, sorry, I've got the mission fee. Let's still set it just to 1, and now we have successfully deployed the dice market DT without dice token, and as this account still have dice 0, and I will transfer it to the new dice market. and I will still list it as 03. List as 03. Okay. Now, let's use another count. The count has dice 1, and this account need to top up 100 penny and 100 penny. Yep, and use it to buy the dice 0. You just enter the account, the dice ID. Now we can see it has been successfully buy the dice 0. So we can check the owner of the dice 0, and it will show the account and with BAB. Yes, they are the same. So it means that we already successfully test all the functions that required in the Lab3. Thank you.